Are you looking to green up your build for not much more than the cost of fiberglass insulation? EasySips is a revolutionary cost breakthrough in green building. It's a new patent-pending technology that lets framers build high-performance EPS insulation into their walls in just minutes. EasySips are 4-foot wide, wall-height expanded polystyrene panels. They are light, rigid, and provide an R25 green building system at half the cost of factory SIP panels. EasySips are super easy to work with. Just ease them down onto your wall, sheet it, and stand it. It's that easy. EasySips is changing the way homes are built. It's a groundbreaking new technology that makes building green highly affordable and easy. EasySips are 4-foot wide, wall-height blocks of 6 3/4-inch thick styrofoam. Bank them together for super-insulated green wall panels built right on the job site at half the cost of traditional SIPs. EasySips are precisely routed with recesses for 2x6 studs, top and bottom plates, filling the spaces inside your walls with solid, rigid, high-efficiency insulation. With breakaway foam channels for electrical, plumbing, and bracing on the interior surface, EasySips are a no-brainer for trades. Just pull out the foam and install your wiring or plumbing. EasySips are made for 2x6 walls built at 16 inches on center. They come in 8, 9, 10-foot or custom heights. We'll even do custom thickness and stud spacing. At 6 3/4 inches thick and with a 1 3/4-inch thermal barrier between framing and sheathing, EasySips are 23% thicker than factory SIPs, insulating to R25 and higher. Where there's a window or a door, simply measure and cut the panel with a circular saw or hand saw. Convenient 1 3/4-inch easy sheets cover headers, king studs, and other solid wood, forming a complete thermal break. EasySips EPS insulation forms a barrier that prevents air movement within the wall cavity, resulting in a virtually airtight building envelope. As temperature decreases, EPS R value increases. Your walls work harder on cold days. There, see how easy it is? Frame and super insulate in one step. Revolutionary EasySips. Build eco-friendly walls right on the job site in just minutes at half the cost of traditional SIPs. EasySips are manufactured at plants across North America for fast delivery no matter where you are. Order EasySips and green up your project today.